8 unique ways to generate income while you sleep. Have you ever wondered how to make passive income? There are many different ways, but some require more work than others. In this video, you'll learn about 8 unique ways to make passive income that can help you earn real money while you sleep, reducing your day job requirements or even allowing you to quit altogether. Passive income, in case you didn't know, refers to income that you can make while sleeping or otherwise not working. It's the kind of money that funds your lifestyle so that you don't have to focus on making it every day. You already have it and are just letting it do its thing. If you want some ideas on how to get started earning passive income, look no further than these 8 unique ways to make passive income and get paid while you sleep. Number 1. Kindle Publishing. One thing that a lot of people overlook is the idea of publishing books on the Kindle platform. Kindle Publishing can be a great way to make passive income, since your work is done once it's published. Plus, with Amazon's KDP Select option, you'll get access to all of Amazon's huge marketing powers. All you have to do is write your book. That's it. Once your book is ready to go, upload it to Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, select what genre category you want for your book and publish away. Keep in mind that Amazon offers 3 ways for authors, self-published writers: the standard plan, the 70% royalty option, or the 35% royalty option. Number 2. Investing in real estate with other people's money. Investing in real estate with other people's money is a great way to build passive income. The easiest way to get started is by using a platform like Fundraise, which is specifically geared towards making investments in commercial buildings with other people's money. Fundraise offers 3 different types of investment portfolios, one for conservative investors, one for moderate investors, and one for aggressive investors. For example, an investor can choose the conservative portfolio that invests primarily in U.S. government bonds and has about a 5% annual return, or the aggressive portfolio that invests primarily in residential mortgages, leases offices and retail stores, and has about a 12% annual return. What type of investor are you? Number 3. Become a brand ambassador. As a brand ambassador, you'll get paid for sharing your opinion about various brands. You're not only getting money for what you say, but you're also promoting the company's products or services to others. You may also be commissioned on a per-sale basis. This means that if someone buys something after clicking on your link, then you'll get a percentage of the sale price as commission. It's usually in the range of 5% to 15%. It all depends on how much work they want you to do and how much trust they have in your opinion. Some people just want one post every few months, while others might ask for updates every day. It really varies from person to person and company to company. Number 4. Online teaching, coaching. Online teaching can be a very lucrative way to make passive income. There are many platforms available for teachers, including Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera. With these platforms, you can set your own hours, create your own curriculum, teach what you want, and earn money with little effort on your part. The downside is that it may take some time to find an audience. However, if you're passionate about your topic, this shouldn't be an issue. In addition, most courses have a long-term payoff because people often re-enroll in courses periodically. For example, after finishing the Photoshop course on Udemy, I signed up for their Excel course so I could learn more advanced techniques. Number 5. Do short workshops, tours. This idea is pretty simple. All you need is a skill that people would be willing to pay for in a few hours of your time. Offer workshops on the weekends or evenings, host dinners with cooking lessons, or offer tours of your home decorating, gardening skills. One of my favorite examples is a one-time tour of someone's home with a focus on interior design. The homeowner provides insights into their style choices and why they made them, then gives a tour of all their favorite rooms. Guests get to see everything from dining room sets to bathrooms while getting some tips on how they can implement those same ideas in their own homes. A second example is giving cooking classes or hosting dinner parties with an emphasis on healthy cuisine. People love this because not only do they get to learn new recipes but also have the chance to chat about lifestyle changes and make new friends at these events as well. Number 6. Apps, iOS, Android, Microsoft, etc. It's a lot of work to create an app, but once it's done, the payoff can be huge. If you're willing to invest your time and money up front, you can gain a new passive income stream that puts money in your pocket while you sleep. You don't need to learn how to code or spend thousands on design tools. There are plenty of companies out there like Upwork who specialize in this area and are happy to build something for you. With apps being so popular these days, chances are somebody needs what you're offering. Number 7. Copywriting, SEO writing. search engine optimization, or SEO for short, is about getting your website ranked higher in search engines. SEO writing means creating content with the intent of attracting visitors from organic search results. This type of content may include blog posts, articles, product descriptions, or other web pages. The purpose of these pieces is to rank highly for keywords or phrases that users are likely to use when looking for information on the topic you're writing about. It's important to keep in mind that if your goal is simply to write well-crafted content, then you're not doing SEO. That said, many businesses employ both a writer and an SEO specialist who works together to create high-quality copy while also ensuring it ranks well. Number 8. App testing, user testing. User testing will pay you $10 for each 20-minute test session, so you can make a passive income from home. You'll interact with websites or mobile apps, sharing your thoughts and feelings about what you see on the screen. There are more than 100 different tests that users of all skill levels can take, so there's something for everyone. What's nice is that it doesn't matter if you have any formal testing experience, just be honest and articulate about how you feel. If you don't qualify as a tester, they'll show you other ways to get paid. The money might not sound like much at first, but it adds up over time. Thanks for tuning in to Capital Investments. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos like this. See you on the next video.